Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to my brand new channel that I'm starting right now. See me recreate this look. Hopefully you laugh, learn. I'm going to teach you some tricks and some tips. Tips and tricks. Tips and tricks on how to be a fierce, frugal, and fabulous diva-licious gal. Love makeup tutorials, but you find them a little bit boring to watch, because I don't. I learned so much. Do you like to watch somebody with no experience put on makeup that is old and used? That's where I come in. Okay, what's my hook? What do I do? Help me be creative. Hi there, I'm Flo. I'm Curvy Girl Flo. You may know me from Instagram or my blog. Obviously, I'm so famous. You must know me. I'm a DIY girl. So naturally, I am starting to do makeup tutorials on how to do your makeup with super cheap, random makeup that you have. And if you don't have it, go to Winners. They've got like sick palettes for like $5. You're welcome, Winners. Let's get started. That's like a transition. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to do a tutorial today. I have no idea what I'm doing, so fun. Oh, did I lose the picture? For God's sakes, so unorganized. This is the look I'm going to try to recreate today. I just found it on Pinterest. So I'm going to show you how to recreate this look. I just use whatever I have laying around the house. I'll try my best to tell you what it is and where it came from and how much it was. So the first thing that I need to do is to cover up these bad boys. I'm going to grab my color corrector. It's at NYX. It's probably like $7. You know what I'm going to start with actually? I'm going to start with this primer. It's like it's called like a highlighter. It's the e.l.f. This thing. It's this e.l.f. thing. I don't know how you do that. I'm not a pro. Okay, whatever. Anyway, I'm using the highlighter. It's the white part of it. And I usually use this as kind of a primer for whatever I put under my eyes. And sometimes I'll just like use it as like a highlighter primer for the rest of my face too. Oh, fresh. For my next trick, okay, it's looking a little purple, so I'm going to use the yellow to kind of balance that out. Whoa, pretty. Then I kind of try to get like an orangey thing happening because my skin tone's pretty orange. Next, I like to do a little pre-face contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Whoa, that looks filthy. Oh my God, I'm a mess. I keep it nice and fresh and clean. I kind of like this like middle. Struggle is real. You gotta do layer on layer on layer. Like I'm getting old. Getting older. I'm using this one. Oh. Oh, don't forget the nose. Oh. Cute. Oh, maybe a little. nice base going. Now I'm going to use my regular, just regular foundation. What is this? Maybelline Fit Me 120 Classic Ivory. That's me. Just use my hands. Do I look like a weird wizard? A pattern wizard. Very all more put together, but it's a little bit like stark now. So I'm gonna contour with some powder. Ooh, I use my bronzer brush. I have this Sephora colorful thing, and it's called Tranquil, but it's all like crushed, so I can't open it. Whatever you're supposed to do. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, this shade is perfect. It's almost like a grayish, if you will, which it has a nice effect for like a very natural contour. Kind of just looks like a shadow as opposed to like tanning salon. I may be dramatic, but I do like to look like natural. See? Okay. I actually just look dirty from this, but like once the whole look's done, you'll see. Cut the jaw. Cut it. Give yourself a nice jawline. Oh damn. Then I do go in and use like a bronzy bronze. I think I'm gonna use my Betty Luminizer just to give a little more. Ooh, ooh, wow, wow, wow. Oh, look at those cheekbones. They're totally not real. They look good. For a little color, I'm going to use the pink that's in this palette as well, but I don't want too much blush because it's going to be like a heavy eye. Then I'm going to use the highlight part, which I guess I like it. So now I'm going to focus on the most dramatic part, the eyes. I usually start with one of the like e.l.f. primers. I'm like out. Actually, I just ordered some online, so I'm waiting for that to come. I'm very excited. I've never ordered anything makeup on. Okay, that's not true. Never ordered anything from e.l.f. online, and I actually got a whole bunch of stuff. It was very reasonable. I'm very excited to see it all when it arrives, because God only knows what size they're gonna be. You think you're getting a good deal, and they come, they're all like. Anyway, what color lip will I do? As a reminder. Oh, this is what we're doing. Looks like I need to start with some kind of dark thing. Darkness. This is a really sweet palette. I actually got on Fashion Nova for like $5. But look at these beautiful colors. So I'm probably going to start with this. Like some of this. Maybe some of this. Oh no, that looks way lighter there. Just blend, blend, blend. Like that's a new tip. Whatever color I do in the crease, I usually try to blend down underneath my eye. But look how much it makes your eye like pop. Ooh! I've always been very opposed to like reds. I don't hate this. I actually love it. So there you go, me. So then what does that look like? A hint of brown. I'll show you what I'm using. Duh. I'm using this and this. Very dark. Okay. need something like copper, sparkle, fury, flame, something. I try this one. It's like pretty orange though. Whoa! It's just gonna have to act as a base. Wow! What am I, Spider Woman? What? Maybe like a little glimmer, glamour, sparkle. Oh yeah. Okay. We'll go with the white. I use this little NYX pencil thing. White for the waterline. She's got some pretty good lashes, but maybe I'll start with the liner. It's actually so bad. I'm gonna seal that in. I have an eyeliner brush. I'll take a little black eyeshadow, whatever you may have lying around. I casually have a Rimmel, plain black, whatever. And now lashes. Dare I do an eyelash? Yes. The answer is yes. I dare. I always pour my eyelash glue onto whatever garbage is nearby. That's a pro tip. Oh. Now we've got our lashes on top. I'm gonna even it out by putting a couple on the bottom, just like these little. I mean, goddamn, I look like a wide-eyed young dame. On a typical day, I'd probably use like something a little softer, but today we're a little more dramatic, right? It's a dramatic look. So what I'm using is my Anastasia Beverly Hills again, the darkest color, because like I mean I don't really use that on my face, so I kind of use it as like a brow cooler. Oh, how cute that is. So for my lips, I'm going to use my very fave. I love it. I use it all the time. Lime Crime in Bleached. I love it. Just love it. It's not over. Girl got a gloss. I don't even know what this is. An E? It's like just a lip gloss. But look. Oh, yeah. Look at that gloss. Oh, damn. That's glossy. Okay, so what do we think? Did we make it close to? That's pretty close. I'd say that's a valiant effort. Now what? Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to me or whatever. Curvy Girl Flow. You can find me anywhere. Curvy Girl Flow. Thanks for watching. Oh, cute. How about thanks for watching?